KVUE Stock Analysis next week and onward. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. Kenvue Stock sitting at like 1% down, and the way that I'm observing this is been going down for quite some time. And just observing this, I'll just like literally come here. Yeah, quite interesting because it's inside this demand area, and we're going to talk about this. But I've done 33,000 videos over the last 4 years, and I've spent thousands of dollars on courses and mentorships. With KVUE in general, let me actually show you my drawings. I don't even... Has this been already marked? Oh, nah. Crazy. I don't know why. But I'm just going to get rid of everything. This is a cool demand area. So I've seen this break here. I've seen this high. The only thing that will make me buy here is the price giving me a proper double break. So I'm talking a clean shift. And unless I see that clean shift, then I'm just not going to buy. And yeah, that's about how KVUE looks like for me. So put like a little confirmation thing here. If you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.